the difference between a single and multi-tenant architecture in the software as a service model in the previous slide. Now, let us look at what is a real cloud application and what I mean by a fake cloud solution. Due to increasing cloud adoption by the customers, many software vendors now claim their software is cloud-enabled. We need to be careful, as not all the cloud solutions are real cloud applications. They are simply blurring the lines between a hosted and a real cloud application. At the time of making the decision, many customers tend to get confused on this. They get different versions from the vendors about their cloud solutions. The customers are not sure whether they are making the right decision at the time of buying. The idea of this slide is to educate the customers and the decision makers on real cloud applications so that they can choose the correct solution. What is a real cloud application? Real cloud applications are designed and built by companies born in the cloud. The applications are designed and built based on the principles of multi-tenant architecture. All the customers around the globe are on the same release of the application at any time. It is easier to maintain and upgrade the software to accommodate new features. Most of the real cloud applications are flexible, and they are easily configurable based on the business function and features. The applications are designed in such a way to accommodate customer-specific customization and can still be upgraded with the software from the vendor. Since the computing resources are shared across customers, it is affordable. They are scalable at any time and provide economies of scale. The vendors of real cloud applications do not compromise on the data security and privacy. The real cloud applications provide automatic backup of the data and ensure the cloud application is available to the customers 100% of the time. When I say a fake cloud application, many applications that are billed as running in the cloud were designed to run at customer premises. They are mostly single-tenant architecture. They turn the responsibility of hosting and managing the application over to a service provider or a value-added reseller. By subscribing to an on-premise application that is simply hosted by a service provider or another vendor, you still experience the same problem what you have experienced before. Sometimes the access to the application can be slower than if you have installed the software on your own server. In a nutshell, fake cloud applications are more expensive and difficult to scale. Some of the issues the customer may face include painful product upgrades, costly integration and customization. Also, the non-reliability of the data security and privacy, and the guaranteed uptime of the application cannot be maintained. The above factors demand a very heavy investment from the service provider and also lead to concerns related to the financial viability of the hosting firm. If you look at NetSuite relevance, this company is born in the cloud. NetSuite is a real cloud application and has been designed based on the multi-tenant architecture. The software is hosted, managed, and maintained 100% by NetSuite. The company ensures that all their customers globally are on the same release. NetSuite guarantees an uptime of 99.5% of the availability of the application to the customers at any time. They also ensure the customer's data are backed up regularly with a disaster recovery mechanism in place. As regards the data security and privacy of NetSuite customers, all the data centers located in different parts of the globe follow the industry standards at the highest level. It is open for customer audit with prior approvals. Any real cloud application should be scalable and grow as the business grows. NetSuite's multi-tenant architecture is designed to support business, whether it is a small or mid-size or an enterprise organization. The requirement is both in terms of functionality and the computing resources. NetSuite application architecture has been designed to support presentation tier, application tier, and database tier for persistence. The multi-tenant architecture enables NetSuite to provide this option. The fundamental understanding here is that it allows the business to use a small share of the infrastructure, if it is smaller company, and gives confidence to the business that they can tap into bigger share of the infrastructure, business applications, as the business grows. It is completely encrypted, end-to-end from the presentation tier to the database tier from the client device. Supports industry open standards for client access, and all the user interface forms have been created using HTML5. This essentially allows the user interface forms to be accessed from any client device and gives a consistent user interface experience. NetSuite uses the industry standard JavaScript for client-side and server-side scripting. SwiftScript, which is based on JavaScript, is native to the NetSuite. All client and server-side scripts are written based on SwiftScript. I am not getting into the details of what is a client and server-side script for developing a web-based application. In case you are interested to learn the concepts on this, there are plenty of videos available in the YouTube. Likewise, if you want to learn more about what is a presentation layer, application tier, and database tier, you can go through Google search engine or go through some of the videos available in the YouTube. Finally, NetSuite supports open application programming interfaces for integration with legacy applications and other cloud applications using the REST and the SOAP protocol. To successfully use NetSuite, it is recommended that you have a minimum internet speed and supporting browsers approved by NetSuite. Majority of the NetSuite installations works comfortably with the internet speed of 128 kbps. While it can also work on 56 kbps, please ensure that you have this performance maintained from your service provider at the endpoint. It is also recommended that your client devices has a minimum configuration of 1 GB RAM with 1 GHz processor. The combination of internet speed and machine configuration will give an optimized application performance. NetSuite supports browsers like Internet Explorer 11 and greater, Microsoft Edge for Windows 10, Apple Safari 10 and greater, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. The browser must be installed in the desktop or laptop or client devices for accessing NetSuite. NetSuite mobile apps can be downloaded and installed in Apple and Android devices. Works on iPhone and iPad with iOS version greater than 7. For Android devices, it works with Android 5.0 Lollipop or higher. You need a minimum memory of 1 GB RAM. While these are the recommended configurations, for the mobile device, performance of the application varies based on the internet connection. Several factors can contribute to the performance issue of NetSuite applications. It could be because of the slow performance of a server at NetSuite, or it could be a network performance issue, or the performance of the user's computer. All of this can significantly affect the performance of NetSuite application. In order to identify the issue, NetSuite provides a performance detail portlet. To help the users to identify performance issues, double-click the Oracle NetSuite logo in the upper left corner of any page in the NetSuite application. This window displays performance details that can be helpful for troubleshooting. Let me take you through each data point so that you will have more clarity. In the performance window detail, total displays the total time taken for loading that page in seconds. Server displays the page load time in seconds and the percentage of the total page load time spent retrieving information from the NetSuite server. Server switch script displays in seconds and as a percentage the server time that was spent on server-side scripting. Server workflow displays in seconds and as a percentage the amount of server time that was spent on workflows. Network displays in seconds and as a percentage the total page load time for data to travel from the NetSuite servers to the computer. Client displays in seconds and as a percentage the total page load time for the computer to render the page. Page displays the web address of the page you are viewing in the application. Email displays the email address associated with the account. Time displays the system date and time and client data page load time. NetSuite provides a performance details or page, email and time window that is used to identify the source of the performance issue and used to provide guidance.